Bumblebees on water skis. Welcome to Reading with MJ, and today we're reading Bumblebees on water skis. Let's go, let's dive in. Miss Honey's class of bumblebees has come to Seaweed Bay. They've got to study lots of rocks. This is so dull, they say. It's time to eat. Please do not move. Miss Honey sounds quite stern. I left our lunches on the bus. Wait here till I return. Do you think they're gonna do that? Oh, Lee sees a sign along the beach. Free ski rides here today. Let's try it while Miss Honey's gone. Hey, great. Hey, yes, let's. Hooray. 3-minute trips around the bay. Wow, they're gonna do it. Oh! The bees have never skied before. At first, they shake and sway. Then, as they gently get up to speed, they start to feel okay. But when the driver makes a turn, the sun shines in their eyes. He steers the speedboat way off course. I can't see straight, he cries. Uh-oh. They zoom across a sandy bank. The bumblebees hold tight. Soon the sand is shooting through the air. It's quite a crazy sight. Oh my goodness, the silly beetle. He can't see where he's going. A submarine has just come up. The bees all scream, "Look out!" The speedboat bounces off the hull. What's that? The captain shouts. Look, the captain. He's just looking and there's just a speedboat going over a submarine. That's so crazy. The boat lands, splash, back in the sea. Uh-oh, the bees let go. But now they're heading for the shore. We're going to crash. Oh no! The water skis stick in the sand. The bees fly through the air. They land where they started from, all dizzy from their scare. Just then, Miss Honey reappears. She's looking really pleased. It's good to see you're all still here. Well done, young bumblebees. What? The bumblebees didn't stay here, but look, he's winking at us because we all know the secret, don't we? Wow, can you blow the book shut with me? Thank you so much for reading with MJ again. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more stories. Bye, see you next time.